If you don't have the Office applications installed, this is how you can install them. So first, click on the Start menu button here down in your taskbar and type Company. You should see the Company Portal app here. Click on that. And once that loads, over in the search box, do a search for Office. You should see Office 365 for Windows 10. Click on that, and then click on the Install button up here. And it'll take approximately 30 to 60 minutes or so to download and install it. And once it's done, you'll just restart your computer, and then all your apps should be there. And you can check that by clicking on the Start menu, and you should see the Word and Excel and PowerPoint and all that. And that's it. Thanks.